Pip was a curious child who loved to splash. They walked past big, shiny puddles. Splish-splash, splish-splash! Then Pip saw something small on the ground. It was a tiny red button. Hum, hum, went the button, ever so soft. Pip wanted to help it find its home. Pip picked up the little button. Is this your home? They asked a big blue umbrella. Hum, hum, went the button. It hummed very, very softly. No, this was not its home. The umbrella had all its own buttons. Next, Pip saw a fluffy cloud sheep toy. Is this your home? Pip asked, holding the button up. Hum, hum, went the button, still very, very soft. A sleepy garden gnome nearby shook its tiny head slowly. Not there. Pip sat by a warm window. Maybe I did not listen carefully enough, they whispered to the button. Hum, hum. Pip listened very, very still. The button's hum grew a little stronger. It pulled Pip gently back towards the puddles. Pip followed the soft hum, hum, hum. It led them to a tiny blanket near the first puddle. And there, a little lambkin. The button fit a missing spot just right. Click! The button gave a happy hum. The lambkin woke with a joyful baa. Now everyone was found. The end. Tilde, tilde, tilde.